Have you ever wondered how love can have such profound effects on our behavior and reasoning? Does love really make us lose our rational thinking? Or is it just an old saying? In this video, we dive into the latest scientific research on romantic love to reveal that love is not just an emotion, but a complex biological process that triggers changes in our brain and behavior. From hormonal influences to behavioral shifts, these studies show how love can alter our priorities and affect human relationships. Join us as we explore this fascinating topic and uncover what science has to say about the age-old question, does love really make us blind? Scientists have recently conducted a study that shows the saying love makes one blind is largely rooted in reality. According to the research, love is considered a human emotion that has hormonal, neurological, and chemical roots. One of the tangible effects of this emotion is the increased heart rate caused by the release of adrenaline. However, more interestingly, scientists now say that love is not only related to emotions, but also leads to behavioral changes. In fact, the human brain can place the loved one at the center of attention and make them the priority of our lives. Researchers have stated that the brain's behavioral activation system, BAS, plays a key role in changing our behavior when we fall in love. This system works by putting the loved one at the center of our world and creating a distinct difference between them and others. In this study, conducted by researchers from the Australian National University, University of Canberra, and the University of South Australia, the relationship between BAS and romantic love was explored. 1,556 individuals from 33 countries who identified themselves as in love were examined for their behavior and emotional reactions toward their partners, the focus they placed on their loved ones, and the priority they gave them. Adam Bood, a doctoral researcher at the Australian National University and the lead author of the study, explained that there is no evidence that a person can fall in love with more than one person at the same time. He added that in polyamorous relationships, people may say they are in love with several partners, but this type of love is less intense than true love and is typically associated with longer-term relationships. Phil Kavanagh, a researcher at the University of Canberra and a co-author of the study, also stated that the findings show romantic love is linked to both behavioral and emotional changes. He added, "We know the role that oxytocin plays in romantic love because when we interact with our loved ones, large amounts of it circulate throughout our nervous system and bloodstream." Dr. Kavanagh stated that the special importance that the loved one gains is due to the combination of oxytocin and dopamine, a chemical released by the brain during romantic love. He said, "Love essentially activates pathways in the brain associated with positive emotions. Oxytocin, a natural hormone, had previously been known as the cause of the euphoria experienced during falling in love." Bood noted that romantic love is believed to have emerged around 5 million years ago, but there is little information about its evolution. He also added, the BAS system is an ancient psychobiological system deep in our brains that guides our behavior and impacts our actions, thoughts, and movements in pursuit of goals. In the next phase of this research, scientists plan to examine the differences between men and women in their approach to love. The findings of this study were published in the scientific journal Behavioral Sciences.